Hi there, and welcome at Smully Art. Let me start this video by wishing you all a happy new year. I hope 2020 will be a great one and that we can have a lot of fun on this channel. I don't know if you realize it, but this channel just celebrated its first birthday. Yay! And let's kick off this second season with one of my favorite series, drawing Ninjago in my own style. So I was thinking of doing one of the villains again, and I was going through the toys of my son and I came up with this little guy. It's a Pyro Snake. They make their appearance in season 11, I think. It's a snake character with some fire and some mummy elements going on. Very fun, I think, in design. Let's have a closer look at our character. Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you know somebody in your surroundings, a family member or a friend who would like to see these kinds of videos as well, please don't hesitate to share. That wraps up this week's video. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!